Skilled IT professionals are in high demand. The Madison College Information Technology Department offers several career paths in the area of IT development and support. The jobs of tomorrow are here today. Madison College IT Department is training the next generation of skilled IT development professionals like cybersecurity specialists, network specialists, web software developers, and more. And skilled IT support professionals like desktop support specialists, software quality specialists, and more. Nearly 100% of students across our information technology programs report they are satisfied or very satisfied with their Madison College education.
I think it has given me all the skills that I need to be successful.
And reap the benefits of our 95% job placement within 6 months of graduation.
Really kind of shows you what you're going to be getting into when you get into industry.
Certain IT programs are in high demand and may have waiting lists. Consider alternate IT career opportunities that also offer nearly 100% employability and no waiting list. Talk to an advisor today to discover options you may have missed. The jobs of tomorrow are here. IT careers are evolving as quickly as our technology. Discover your path and connect to your future at Madison College.